How you going there, folks? Welcome back. Paul Bars signing in here one more time. We're looking at turning this particular website into something that looks more like this particular website. And this is the video that will show the biggest change. Now, in the last one, I uploaded the customized template sort of settings that I've already done in the past. You won't have access to this type of thing yourself when you're first working. You'll have to just upload and create your own template, as of course I've shown you in previous videos. But let's now hit refresh and see what kind of a change it makes and what else we need to do along the way. Here she comes. All right, starting to take shape. You can see now down the right-hand side, I have that information there. Okay, the little tree, that's for Banner Garden, which is not yet configured. Places for our posts, places for our comments, and so on and so on. So there's some stuff already beginning to happen there, but we need to make some more changes along the way. Let's get into doing that. First thing I'm going to do is go to my Expert WordPress options. Hang on a minute, it looks like I've clicked offline. Let me just reconnect. And we're back. And we're walking and we're walking. EWP options. Now, background image. I've currently got no image in there at this point of time. I'd like to change that, but I need to, as it says here, upload pictures to the folder images background, which means I've got to come through to my FTP program and go and actually do that. So here I am. We're working in the themes, the Expert WordPress. Images is the area that we're looking for. Backgrounds. I need to upload the background that I want to be appearing there here. Now I've already moved over into my little folder here. Background, the same one that I used on my other website. While that's uploading, I'll just come back here because I'll need to refresh that page. Back to my options. I've done this a few times now. It gets easy with practice. There it is just there. That will now be my new background. Now the header size and header width I need to include. This is going to be my header image. Let me just shrinky dink that down so you can see down there in the left hand corner. How big is that image? That's the question I want to know. What are the sizes? There it is, 960 by 243. So height, $960. I'm going to update those options and then I'll refresh this because it's going to go really bizarro for us in a moment. That's done. Click refresh. And you can see my header space has grown. My links have moved down here and my background is looking a whole lot better now than what it was before. Before it was a bit of an ugly thingy. So moving down now into the header options, I have created, as I just showed you, a particular header down here. I'm going to now upload this one. Browse, upload that. Whatever customizations you can make with the template that you're going to be working with, bit of practice, bit of trial and error. Perhaps that's what you'll need to make it work. But that's all been done now. I don't want any text displaying alongside that as well. It's just uploading that last little bit. There we go. So I've done that. Save changes. Then we want to come back over here and refresh this page. See how it looks. I'll click the refresh button. Let's see how it turns out. Bang! Sweet! Ready to go. Now, because I'm using a template that I've already used, my RSS feed is already in there. People can subscribe. My site feed, as I said, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, it's all in there already. iTunes. Actually, I'll have to get rid of that one because I'm not using iTunes on this particular thing. I don't know, maybe I can with my videos. I'll have to look into that at a later time. So leave it there for the moment. But that's it. The template has now been done. These particular details were all done at the same time, like the updating the 404 template, for example. If I take us to, let's see, something that doesn't even exist, I'll just punch in some random numbers, and this will hopefully give me a nice 404 page, which will not the one I was looking to use. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to try and find that one. Yeah, okay, my internet connection's dropped out again. Geez, I hate that. And I'm back again. Yes, I've got a big storm raging outside at the moment. Probably not the best time to be online, but we're getting through this. Here's the custom 404 page, as I was hoping for, and it will eventually list all the categories down the bottom. Now, this is just important because when it comes to errors, it's going to happen. Sometimes people are going to arrive on your website and they're going to not find what you want them to find. So you want to have a nice 404 page instead of that one that, my browser automatically showed you beforehand. In August 2010, this site moves server platforms. Now, this is a brand new website, but I can update this. However, I am making this look the same as my paulbars.com one. So this is what we're doing. And all we need to do now is start going through some of the rest of the plugins and making the changes that are required along the lines. So that's what we're going to do. Essential WordPress plugins. Some of these we've already done. Some of these we've already configured, but we'll get them up and running in these next few videos. Okay, this is Paul Bars from paulbars.com signing off. You have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you again shortly. Bye-bye.